Are you interested in learning how to make your own tarot reading? Well, I have the class for you. Begin your ritual by igniting the candles on your altar, or focus your intention on a single flame. Let the dancing flames draw you into the magic of live fire. As the candles flicker, enhance the magic by incorporating sacred herbs into your ritual. Lavender is thought to enhance psychic abilities and intuition. Burn lavender incense or use lavender oil during divination practices. St. John's wort, known for its protective qualities, can be used to ward off negativity. Also, I use the magical sound of a Tibetan singing bowl. As its resonant tones fill the sacred space, let the vibrations harmonize with your intentions. As you complete your preparations, dive into the next phase of your magical journey. The combination of herbs, candles, and the resonance of the singing bowl has set the stage for a powerful experience. I prefer learning tarot deck, the perfect companion for beginners. No need for external guidance, all the information you seek is woven into each card. Today's card of the day is the Nine of Pentacles. Explore the intricate details and symbols on the card, as they hold the key to profound insights. Let the magic of the Learning Tarot deck unfold as you decipher the messages it has for you today. As you conclude this magical journey, gently return the cards to their box, preserving the energy of the insights gained. Allow gratitude to fill your heart for the guidance received. As the flickering light fades, carry the transformative energy with you. May the magic of this sacred space linger, nurturing your spirit until the next ritual.